Hello and welcome back to Design Loves Detail. I'm Molly and today we are taking a look at another stop on our home reveal, which is our youngest son's room, and it's pretty darn fun. Let's check it out. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos because we have more stops as we share our new home with you and lots of exciting projects. So this one is very whimsical. We'll step over here. And I actually may have mentioned, but I let all of my kids pick their wallpaper. They could choose anything they wanted. And this is what our 6-year-old picked because he loves bunnies. So it's kind of nursery, it's kind of young, but I thought, who cares? We can always re-wallpaper later. And I love that he loves it and that it's actually pretty neutral. So that fits my vibe, which was perfect. I really let them like have free reign in their rooms. So this has been fun to see come together. I kept it still in my style, which is good. He loves it, I love it. But first up, these nightstands. These are kind of a fun, smaller scale with the fluted detail and again, just kind of funky and fun with the way that the handles are on those. They make that circle, so kind of unique. And bunny bed. Once he saw this, there was no going back. Had to have it, and really this is super affordable and just unique and different. So did some bedding with kind of a little bit of the green because I wanted some color in here with this being more just a tan and cream tone on the wall. So mixed in a little bit of color with these kind of slate blue and green tones, mossy, little washed out mossy green, and his bunny. So kind of fun. I don't know. I'm still soaking it in. The wall color is what I have throughout the house, which is Benjamin Moore China White, and it pairs really well with just about everything. So love that one. It's a little more saturated if you want something that's got a richness to it but doesn't lean yellow. This one has actually a grayish base, which I love, and works really well with the rest of the space. So you'll see this cuteness, a little bit of woodland whimsical detail, which is what kind of, you know, started the whole space. The rug, really affordable. This is just a cotton rug from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. If you're also wondering where to find these products, you can check the description. That's where I always put the links for everything that's available. Sometimes they are sold out and I'll still put the links so you can keep an eye on it, but that's where to find product. Down below, description. And these are always a favorite for me for kids' rooms because with the storage, you can hide away toys or whatever they want. In there, we usually use one for a laundry hamper and one for toys. But those are great, and the kids can kind of move them around, put them at the end of the bed or whatever. And then this one I love because it has that little bit of wood trim detail here and then on the base as well. So really cute. Another great storage piece in this room is this woven chest with the cute little buckle detail. So this one I love because it looks like it's a kind of like an antique piece or vintage, but then it's surprisingly not. I got this from Walmart. One of my cool Walmart finds because I love Walmart. Shout out to Walmart. And then just like, I love wood toys. We haven't moved all of his stuff in yet, but we will shortly. So this is kind of the pre-reveal. And then we're gonna do a full home tour walkthrough after we get more settled so you can see how we really live in our house and then how it all came together as a full thing. So curtains, these are an Amazon find, super affordable. And I actually did 2 panels here. I ordered 1 panel and then I thought it needed a little more fullness. So I added a second panel on each side. And these are blackout, which is great. And they come in a bunch of colors. So that part is a win. And then these are just a back tab panel. So you don't even need like a curtain ring or anything. You could use them with curtain rings, but they have that built-in little back tab on them. So super easy to hang. And then they have a really clean, you can see a really finished kind of pleated type look at the top there. We'll pop over here because I couldn't leave the closet without a little fun, and that's why we have this. Dun, 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 dun. Found this on Etsy, and there are rods rods and shelves on each side too for him to hang stuff, but then I didn't want this open flat space to go to waste. So that's why we did this fun thing. And I love the natural wood because that kind of brings a little bit of warmth and keeps, even though this space is really neutral, still gives a little bit of detail. I think wood just warms everything up. So this will be fun for him to store his toys or clothes or whatever. He can do what he wants. But I love that detail and it fits so well, I think, with the whole vibe of his room. Anyways, that's kind of the gist here. Let me know what you guys think and be sure, like I said, to subscribe and like and comment all the things. We'd love to have you follow along and let us know what you think as we go. I'll see you next week.